I will teach you how to build profitable Google Ads and SEO campaigns for just $49 per month. So I've just released a coaching program where I will literally coach you on everything you need to do in order to actually run a successful and profitable Google marketing campaign. It's exactly what I do for clients with my agency, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So agencies will charge you thousands of dollars per month to run your Google ads or do your SEO. Now the problem is that many business owners can't actually afford to pay this, especially if they're just starting out and they don't even know if it's going to work for them specifically and if they'll get a return. Now to top it off, many people have also been burned by marketing agencies who have promised the world and failed to deliver any results, and now they're hesitant to pay even more money. Well, I've got the solution. I will coach you on how to build your own profitable Google marketing campaign so that you don't need to pay an agency. So, the Google Dominate Coaching Program. After speaking with many entrepreneurs and business owners who were struggling to run their own marketing but couldn't afford to pay my agency to do it for them, I decided to put together this low-priced coaching program to teach people like them all the things I learned over the last 10 years running SEO and Google Ads campaigns for over 50 different businesses in a wide range of niches, including auto repair shops, car rentals, law firms, e-com stores, plumbers, builders, motels, skincare, HVAC, online English schools, solar installers, resorts, car part suppliers, obituary websites, pre-purchase car inspections, and many more. I will teach you everything you need to know to get your website to rank, run a profitable Google Ads campaign, and make money for your business through Google for only $49 per month. So here's exactly what you get in my coaching program. So firstly and most importantly are the 2 times weekly 1-hour coaching calls where I will personally sit on this call with you for an hour and answer any questions that you have, as well as share the latest information about what I'm currently doing for myself, my websites, and my clients' websites and Google Ads campaigns to get them the best results. These calls will be recorded and uploaded, so if you miss a call, you will be able to go back and watch that call as well. So you're never going to miss out, and you're also going to have access to all of the calls that happened before you joined. Now, the second thing is going to be the Skool community. So Skool is a platform where you can have discussions similar to a Facebook group or a Slack channel. It has threads and topics that we can talk about. And in there, we're going to discuss everything relating to Google Ads, SEO, marketing, copywriting, landing pages, conversion rate optimization, and literally anything else related to marketing that's going to help you get your funnel to work. And I will personally be in that group daily answering all of your questions. And thirdly, you get a 5-part course, which is made up of SOPs, meaning standard operating procedures, which are videos that I made specifically for hiring and training my own team to do work for me. This course covers SEO and all of these different aspects regarding SEO. So literally everything A to Z to SEO your own website. It covers Google Ads and everything from A to Z, what you need to do from creating a Google account all the way to optimizing the Google Ads campaign once it has been running, and everything you need to do in there to actually make it profitable, really hone it down and make it optimized properly. The third section is WordPress, and this covers setting up a WordPress website from literally zero to a completely optimized website for both SEO and optimized for Google to make high converting landing pages as well. I will show you Google tracking, so how to set up Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, and how to accurately track conversions through your website so that you can actually track what results you're getting and also link it to Google Ads so that Google Ads can optimize for the conversions as well. And I will also show you how to set up and use the Google Search Console. And now fifth is marketing resources. So this is anything I have found useful in relation to marketing that I think will also be useful for you. So things like newsletters to sign up for, books I recommend you read that are going to help you get better at marketing, my personal favorite sales pages that I've come across from some of the best marketers in the world that you can use as examples and to get ideas for your own landing pages, and any other resources that I come across which will help you run better campaigns. So you could literally not know anything about SEO or Google Ads, and you would be able to run a successful campaign if you follow these videos. I will also be continually adding to this course as time goes on, as more information comes out, and I have more things to teach you as well. So it's going to be an ever-evolving, growing course. It's not just going to be stuck where it is now, and this is all for just $49 per month. Now, here's why you should even listen to me. So, as you probably know, there are many gurus and coaches online selling programs, many of which have actually no idea what they're talking about. Unlike many of these people selling courses on how to make money so that they can actually make some money, or how to do SEO so that they can actually learn to do SEO while recording the course, I actually do what I teach here as my primary source of income. I run a marketing agency called Dominate Marketing, where we build Google funnels using Google Ads and SEO to generate at least $100,000 to $300,000 per year in profit, guaranteed, or our clients don't pay. So here are some of the case studies and results that we've actually got for our clients. You can actually check out each of these videos and watch them, but basically I'm just going to cover what these are. So there's an automotive blog that I set up, getting 28,000 visitors per month in less than a year, purely through SEO. We got a 14 times return on ad spend from Google Ads for a client running a pre-purchase car inspection business. We helped a law firm make over $180,000 from their Google Ads. That's additional to what they were making before. We helped an auto electrician go from practically zero to getting 130 leads per month while spending only $400 in Google Ads. We helped the secondhand car parts dealer get 3 times more organic traffic within 6 months by fixing their website. And we also helped the car accident assessors start with when they had literally no marketing, go from 0 to 80 leads per month while only spending $1,000 in ad spend on Google Ads. And here are some testimonials from our clients that have been posted on Google as Google reviews. Now, if all this wasn't enough to convince you to join this very cheap program, I'll even give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you join this program and you decide that the $49 was better spent on a fancy lunch rather than learning from what I have to teach you, I will literally refund your money, no questions asked. So I've put a lot of thought into this program to make it as accessible for everyone as possible and offer immense value. I know what I teach in this program works because I use it every day to get results for our clients. But if for some reason you didn't get value from this, it didn't work for you, whatever the reason is, I will immediately refund your money within the first 30 days of you being in the program. You will not have to prove that you did any minimum amount of work. You won't have to sign some contract that I'm going to use to get out of the refund. I will literally give you a refund. If you tell me I want a refund, I'm not happy. After the first month, it's just a month-to-month membership that you can cancel at any time. There's no minimum you have to stay inside. You can literally go into your account, click cancel, and that's that. So you're not locked into anything. Now, why is this so cheap? You're probably thinking that courses like this usually go for thousands of dollars. So why am I giving it away for $49? Well, the reason is simply because I can. I myself have literally spent tens of thousands of dollars in coaching programs, and a lot of them have not delivered much results. I know how disappointing that is, especially when you've spent a good chunk of your money and your income and you've had to stretch your finances to get there and then you did not get the promised result. It is extremely disappointing, I can tell you from experience. However, to this day, the best program I ever bought was a $49 one that I'm actually still a member of. And that inspired me to do exactly the same thing for others. To make a coaching program that is so cheap and over delivers so much that people won't believe it and they won't want to leave. I would rather that you spend $49 and be amazed than spend $4,900 and be disappointed like I was in some of the programs that I did. So there's a couple of frequently asked questions that I've also included. Now, the main one is going to be, are there any additional costs? Because if you've ever done any other course before, I'm sure you've joined and then all of a sudden you realize you have to spend a bunch more money on a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to be upfront with you that it's not mandatory to spend any more money on anything else. However, there is one tool if you're planning on doing SEO that I would really recommend you do, and a lot of the coaching videos use this tool to show you what to do. It's called SEMrush, and basically this tool allows you to gather vital information about Google search in order to actually be able to SEO your website. So things like keyword search volume, how difficult it's going to be to rank for that keyword, other related keywords you should be targeting, and so on. Without a tool like this, you're going to have a very hard time to rank because everyone else who's trying to rank is using a tool like this. And so if you don't have it, it puts you at a severe disadvantage. Now, SEMrush is $129 per month, and I will give you my affiliate link in the program so that you can get a 7-day free trial. So in theory, you could use that 7-day free trial, do the keyword research you need, and then you could cancel if you don't want to pay it. But otherwise, it's $129 per month, and it's definitely worth the money. I'm recommending it because I use it. Now, if you have another tool like Ahrefs or something like that, that's already fine. If you already have that, don't buy another one. You can use that, and it'll do the same thing. Now, the only other cost that I can think of will be the Google ad spend that you're going to have to spend if you're running Google ads. Now that's natural. If you're running the ads, you're going to have to pay for them. That's that. Other than that, there will be no other additional expenses. So if you want to jump in this thing, you can get access now. I highly recommend you don't pay thousands of dollars to some agency to do what you can do yourself, especially if you're starting out. And you certainly should not pay thousands of dollars for some course to teach you less than what I'm going to teach you in this program for less than the cost of a dinner at a nice restaurant. So think about that. You're not even buying me dinner, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in order to make money for your business through Google with zero risk, because I'm offering a money back guarantee. So if that has convinced you to sign up, all you need to do is click this red button below, the sign up now button. This is going to take you to a page on Skool.com, which is where the program is hosted. I'm going to show you here. And once you click this, all you need to do is click the yellow join button here. And when you click that, it's going to open up a window, and you'll enter your details here. You'll click sign up. It'll get you to pay to insert your credit card, to pay to join the program, and then you'll be in. So if you're ready to join, go to learndominatemarketing.com. Just hit this sign up button now. You'll be taken to Skool. You can sign up there, and I'll see you in the program.